What's going on, everybody? We're getting ready for the Stuff the Truck Summer Showdown truck and car show. It's the morning of the show. We just gave the truck a bath. Needed to look as good as it can. I believe that this is going to be the stuffed truck, so had to make sure it looked good. It is a fundraiser for CHKD, where all the proceeds are going to go to CHKD. So this is the start, and I will see you there. Quick shout out to Shop Jungle Box. They are not a sponsor of the video, but they are sponsors of the truck. They do all kinds of cleaning stuff, from foam cannons to pressure washer guns to interior soaps, spray foam, not spray foam, that's not right. Soap that goes in the foam cannons, tire cleaners. If you need any cleaning supplies for your ride, they've got it. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description to an affiliate website. You buy anything, sends me a little kickback. So thank you to them too. Sorry for interrupting, but this is me post-show, starting the edit. The show had a DJ with very loud copyrighted music. So the rest of the clips will be like just me walking down the little strip we had set up and some night shots of the show. So we're gonna do that. If you stick to the end, I'll give you my thoughts and tell you my experience. So we had a ton of fun. My wife and I went. It was my brother-in-law's show. Raised a bunch of money, raised, I don't know if that's the right word, donated a bunch of toys for CHKD. I think if I can get the picture, I'll show it. I don't know if it'll be full screen or just like, over here somewhere. But they took a picture and shared it on their page with them there donating the toys and things to CHKD. It was really cool. Lots of people, lots of good food, lots of good music. So just overall, we had a blast, and we're excited for more to come. So stay tuned. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.